All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful gray on black interior, premium sound system, steering controls, alloy wheels, roof racks, heated seats. Only 9,000 miles on this vehicle. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage. Just go real quick, your front bumper. Looks nice, your front hood. Looks good, your front fender. Looks pretty decent. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. It is curbed up. That's a little bit of curbing here, some over here, some more over here. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Let's check out your tires, right? Which is at 630 seconds. This door looks good. Does it look good? I see a little dent right here. A little dent, no paint off, but it is there. The rear door looks good, and the quarter does have a dent, some paint off here. It's about six to 7 inches right there. Some paint off right there in the corner. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing back here. Your tire thread is 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right, you got your AM FM. Turn the lights here. You got your AM FM CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Wow. Got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls, as you can see. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light on. That's about it. There's a mileage of 9,102. Got some buttons here, all-wheel drive, sport, and all that good stuff. Keeping it moving. Oh, you got your heated seats back here. I didn't show that. Pretty much it. Let's come with the one key fob combo. I don't know if I showed that. One key fob combo and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. Keeping it moving. Open it up. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest, the cup holders. Coming around. That's pretty good. Got some chips on the rear bumper. Some more chips here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. A couple of chips there. Another one over here. No big deal. What your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here. Boom. With your owner's manual, I tucked away in there as well, as you can just see the corner. Still wrapped up, that owner's manual. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice, and curbing. And your tire thread is 630 seconds. Let me double check. Yep, that's 630 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks nice. All right. And your front driver's fender does have a dent here. No paint off. About 2 to 3 inches. Boom. You can see it right there. Here's your rear front passenger steel wheel. Or your rim. I don't see any problems there. 630 seconds here. Oh, there's another little dent right there. Lights are working. Car is running. Folks, once again, this is 2017 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive model with 9,000 miles. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.